Okay, good morning everyone.
Good morning.
Today you will take the speaking test for your English assessment. Only 2 students may enter the test room at once. Please follow the teacher instruction carefully, and if you are not testing, please wait quietly in other room until you call. Good luck.
Thank you, Miss.
Assalamualaikum.
Good morning, student.
Morning, Miss.
Okay, I give you a piece of paper. Okay, look at the picture over there. Now let's discuss this picture together. I ask you some question below the picture. Okay, Adib, where are the students in the picture?
They are in the school canteen.
Okay, nice. Faroza, what are they doing?
They are having lunch together.
Okay, thank you. Okay, next part B. Lina and Rafi are friends who are talking in the school canteen. They are sharing about their hobby and favorite food. Lina likes playing badminton and eating fried rice. Rafi prefer playing football and eating noodles. Sometimes they also talk about what they don't like, make a short dialogue showing how they express their likes and dislikes politely.
Hi, Faroza. Do you like playing badminton?
Not really. I prefer to playing football.
Oh, I like badminton a lot. It's my favorite hobby.
That's cool. Do you like eating fried rice?
Yes, I do. I love fried rice. What about you?
I don't like fried rice, but I like noodles.
That's okay. Everyone has different likes and dislikes.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, next monologue. Look at the picture.
Okay, Miss.
Now let's discuss this picture together. I asked some question below the picture to help us understand this problem. Adib, where is the student in the picture?
The student is the classroom.
Okay. Paraza, what do you think the student wants to do?
I think the student wants to ask the teacher something.
Okay, thank you, Paraza. Okay, next part B, monologue. Rani is in the classroom. She wants to borrow a rule from her friend, but the class is already quiet because the teacher has started the lesson. She stands up and raises her hand politely to ask permission from the teacher before speaking. Make a short monologue so how Rani asks for permission politely and respond after receiving permission from the teacher. Okay, Adi first.
I really need a role for this assessment, but I completely forgot mine. Mr. Smith is already explaining the reason, so I cannot just burn something off. Okay? Deep breath, raise hand politely. Excuse me, Mr. Smith. I'm so sorry to interrupt, but would it be right if I quickly borrow a roll from Sarah? I promise I give it right back when I finish.
Okay, nice. Next, Faroza.
Right, Miss. Oh, so I need to draw a straight line, but I don't have a ruler. Everyone's so quiet because Mr. Johnson is talking. I need to be polite. Raises hands slightly. Mr. Johnson, excuse me. I apologize for interrupting. But could I please borrow a ruler from someone nearby? I'll be very quick and quiet about it.
Okay, thank you. Okay, that's all. Thank you for your participation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, student.
Morning, Miss.
I give you a piece of paper. Please look at your paper for part A. Now, let's discuss the picture together. I ask some questions below the picture to help us understand this problem. Okay, Iam, what do you think the teacher will say?
The teacher will probably say yes, please, or how can I help you?
Okay, thank you. Okay, Robbie, how does the student ask permission politely?
The student politely asks permission by raising his hand and perhaps saying, "Excuse me, ma'am, sir, may I?"
Okay, thank you. Okay, next part B. Dialogue. Lina and Rafi are friends who are talking in the school canteen. They are sharing about their hobby and favorite foods. Lina likes playing badminton and eating fried rice. Rafi prefers playing football and eating noodles. Sometimes they also talk about what they don't like. Make a short dialogue showing how they express their likes and dislike politely.
What are your hobbies, Robbie?
I like playing football and chess. How about you?
I like dancing and playing badminton. Do you like dancing?
No, I don't. I'm not good at it. Do you like noodles?
No, I don't like. I prefer fried rice.
Haha, we different, but that's fun.
Okay, thank you. Okay, next monologue. Look at the picture. Okay, I wanna ask you question. Iam, what is the student doing?
The student is in the classroom.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Robbie. What do you think the student wants to do?
I think the student want to ask the teacher something.
Okay, thank you, Robbie, Iam. Okay, next part B, monologue. Rani is in the classroom. She wants to borrow a ruler from her friend, but the class is already quiet because the teacher has started the lesson. She stands up and raises her hand politely to ask permission from the teacher before speaking. Make a short monologue showing how Rani asks for permission politely and respond after receiving permission from the teacher. Okay, Robbie first.
Okay, oh no, I forgot to bring my ruler today. And math class has already started. The class is also quiet because everyone is focused on listening to the teacher. What should I do? I try raising my hand. Raise hand politely. Excuse me, ma'am. Sorry to interrupt. I borrow a ruler from a friend for a moment. I promise I won't be noisy and will return it soon. Teacher notes. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, next, Iam.
Okay, stand up slowly and raise hand. Excuse me, sir. May I ask something? May I borrow a ruler from my friend next to me? I accidentally left my ruler at home, and now we are working on an assessment that requires a ruler. Teachers look and smile. Of course, Rani, but don't disrupt your other friends. Okay, and return it as soon as you're done. Yes, sir. Thank you very much for your understanding.
Okay, thank you, Robbie, Iam. Okay. Okay, that's all. Thank you for your participation.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, miss.
hobbies and favorite foods. Lina likes playing badminton and eating fried rice. Rafi prefers playing football and eating noodles. Sometimes they also talk about what they don't like. Make a sort.
Okay, I will describe in the school canteen. Hi Rafi, what are you eating today?
Oh, hi Adib. I'm eating noodles. They're my favorite food. What about you?
I'm having fried rice. I love it, especially when it's spicy.
Oh, I don't really like spicy food. It's make me sweet a lot.
That's okay. By the way, what's your hobby?
I love playing football. How about you?
I like playing badminton. It's so much fun and keep me healthy.
Nice. Maybe one day we can play together after school.
Sure, that sounds great. Okay, thank you.
Okay, next is monologue. Here's the guidance. Rani is in the classroom. She wants to borrow a ruler from her friend, but the class is already quiet because the teacher has started the lesson. She stands up and raises her hand politely to ask permission from the teacher before speaking. Make a short monologue showing how Rani asks for permission politely and respond after receiving permission from the teacher.
Okay, there is short monologue set. Rennie is in the classroom and the lesson has already started. She needs to borrow a ruler from her friend. She raises her hand politely and says, "Excuse me, sir, may I borrow a ruler from my friend?" The teacher says, "Yes, you may." Then Rani smiles and says, "Thank you, sir." And she quietly borrows the ruler without disturbing the class. Thank you, sir.
Okay, next Adib.
Okay, I will describe monologue asking for permission. I want to tell you a short story about asking for permission. This morning, I was in the classroom. The teacher had already started the lesson, but suddenly I forgot my rules. I want to borrow from my friend, but the class was very quiet, so I raised my hand and said politely, "Excuse me, Miss, may I borrow a rule from my friends, please?" The teacher smiled and said, "Of course, Rani, but please be quiet." I said, "Thank you very much, Miss," and I borrowed the ruler quiet. That's why we should always ask permission nicely.
Okay. Both of you gonna make a dialogue, and this is the guide dialogue. Lina and Rafi are friends who are talking in the school canteen. They are sharing about their hobbies and favorite food. Lina likes playing badminton and eating fried rice. Rafi prefers playing football and eating noodles. Sometimes they also talk about what they don't like. Make a short dialogue showing how they express their likes and dislikes politely.
Hi Robbie, what are you eating today?
Hi, I'm eating fried rice. It's my favorite food. How about you?
I'm eating noodles. I really like noodles, especially the spicy ones.
Oh, I like noodles too, but not the spicy are. I prefer fried rice.
I see. By the way, what's your hobby, Robbie?
My hobby is playing football. I play it almost every weekend. How about you?
I like playing badminton. It's fun and makes me healthy.
That's good. I'm not really good at badminton, but I like watching it.
Haha, maybe we can play together sometime.
Sure, that sounds fun.
Okay, next is monologue. I'm gonna read the guide monologue. Rani is in the classroom. She wants to borrow a ruler from her friend, but the class is already quiet because the teacher has started the lesson. She stands up and raises her hand politely to ask permission from the teacher before speaking. Make a short monologue showing how Rani asks for permission politely and respond after receiving permission from the teacher.
Rani is sitting in class while the teacher is teaching. She realized she forgot to bring her ruler. She stood up slowly and raised her hand. Then she said politely, "Sir, I please borrow a ruler? I forgot mine at home." The teacher nods and replies, "Go ahead." Rani says, "Thank you, sir," and he quietly goes to her front desk to borrow the ruler, trying not to interrupt the lesson.
Thanks, Leo.
Rani is already in the classroom, and the lesson has begun. She wants to borrow a ruler, but she knows she must ask first. She raises her hand and says politely, "Teacher, excuse me, may I borrow a ruler for my friend?" The teachers give permission and say, "Yes, may I." Rani replies, "Thank you, teacher." Then she quietly takes the ruler and returns to her seat without making noise.